How to watch Instagram stories without getting caught. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll show you how you can watch Instagram stories without getting caught, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now if you want to watch Instagram stories without getting caught, yes, there are two ways. One is the official way, one is the non-official way. So which is the easier part? So if you're on Android, there are obviously some of the modded apps on Instagram for which I'm not going to get into detail as to the risk of YouTube flagging this video, but you can go ahead and search them up in your browser. There are multiple modded applications for Instagram. You can use them, and they also have a feature of privacy and not being able to let the other person know that you viewed their story as well. It will simply not show up your name over there. That is one way to do it, but I'm not going into detail of that specific portion. The only way I'm going to show you is the official way from the Instagram app itself. So let's say that you have some of the stories and friend stories that you want to stalk, and then you want to view the story without having to let them know that you are the one who viewed the story. Well, in that case, there is only one alternative solution I can suggest you. That's to simply try to create a dummy account. So it could be an account that doesn't use your real name. Just create a dummy account, and then once you create a dummy account, request that person if you want to follow them if they have a private account. But if they have a public account, then you can just go ahead and view your story without following them. And when you view this story, it is only going to show up your dummy profile name and then not your real name as well if they have a public account. But if they are private, you can try to request, and if you get lucky, your request could be accepted and you could watch your stories in that way without actually getting caught. It doesn't really mean that you have to view it from your own story or your own profile. That's basically how you can watch Instagram stories. But as I said, there are an official way as well. There is a non-official way, which is the modern version of Instagram. If you think that is safe for you, then I would recommend you do that, but obviously I'm not going into detail of all of that. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.